Well, when it's emergency, you have to do what you have to do.
You gotta
right?
just say today.
Look at this. Here's your emergency funnel. Keep that in mind.
Today we had to do what we had to do.
Okay, let's get some diesel in this baby. This is what happens when your fuel tank semi-unit doesn't work right. And of course, after fueling, don't forget to use the emergency hand primer pump or you'll wear your battery down. So we're bringing the fuel up. You can see it coming right up in the pre-filter and I'm feeling resistance. So we're ready to fire this baby up.